Okay, so here's a hack that will allow you to create the perfect sun-kissed glow year-round. You need two things, your favorite blusher and your favorite bronzer. Oh, make sure they're cream. So we've got a blusher and we've got a bronzer. So here's what we're going to do. You want to take some of the blusher onto your finger, and we're going to put this in the palm of our hand. Next, take our bronzer, exactly the same thing, get it on our finger, and then mix it directly with that blusher and really blend it in. What this does is create the perfect rosy bronzer. This we can use all over our face. Take a brush and stipple this over the areas the sun would naturally hit. And now blend that in. This is the perfect mix of bronzer, blusher, and it's unique to you because it's the shades that you naturally use. And you get this ruddy, beautiful, gorgeous, just been out in the sun, been snowing, been on holiday, caught the sun glow. I love it. Oh, and don't forget your neck. Thanks for watching. I'll see you all soon. Bye-bye.